This will save you so much money if you do these at home. I have links to most of these products in the description box. I am an Amazon associate and will get a small commission if you use my links at no charge to you. This thing is good. I bought it for several people for gifts, and it is worth every drop. Today, I'm going to show you how to craft a protein shake at home for a fraction of the cost and sometimes even healthier. This is the unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and I have these Pioneer Woman measuring cups. I love them because they're like 2-cup, they're kind of odd size. They're not just your standard size. This is George's Restore. I'm going to go real slow here. You can screenshot this. Look at this. There's hardly any ingredients there, which shows you it's really, really clean. Now, I put a little bit of my old protein powder in there that I love, and I had it left over, and so that's why it's brown. It's not normally brown. So I've bought this over and over, really super clean, but I don't always get it, and I love this other one. I have a link in the description box, this Whey double rich chocolate powder. That's my favorite. Now, dang it, look what I did. I put all that powder and that milk in there and forgot to put the thing in, so then it gets kind of, up under the mechanism. It was a mess. I do that a lot. Okay, so I use sugar-free syrup, all different kind of flavors, and I put 1/4 of a cup in there. That's a lot. Now, if you're trying to quit sugar cravings, don't use sugar-free items, but I do. And I haven't had sugar in 4 months. Do I still crave sugar? Yep, because I won't get off of this stuff. This is my one guilty pleasure. I'm trying to eat low carb, high fat. This is browned, unsalted butter in a skillet. And then I freeze it, and it makes these little chunks when you chunk it up, and it's so good because I got to get a lot of fat in because it helps you be satiety. This is Starbucks instant coffee because I like it to have that coffee flavor and a little depth to it. So I put all that in there, and we are just going for it here. This Ninja is like a KitchenAid mixer. It is very high end. It is very strong. It has lasted for years, and it is the best ever. It has a food processor, this mixer, and 2 little single serving shake things with a blender in it. It's awesome. Okay, I'm giving you a little tour of my coffee bar while we're at it. Okay, right here, these little babies coming up, you're going to see them. They were in my daughter's wedding shower, so I took a whole bunch of them, and I have them in weird places in my house, and it's just fun to say, oh my goodness, what in the world does she have there? They make me happy. So here we go. I am using this cup. I'll also put a link in this. I love this cup. It's glass. It does come with a colored silicone cover. I don't know why I just took it off. I think it looks really pretty like this. It has a very wide, thick straw, and I love it. So it's super good. I got it because I thought it'd be lighter than the metal ones because my arm, I have tendonitis. Okay, this is so good, and it will help. I don't think protein shakes are the best in the world for you, but they get you through if you're trying to eat cleaner and get enough protein in. I usually do DIY or crafting or organizing videos, but I throw the life stuff in there every once in a while. See you next week.